Hello my students, today we'll study Unit 3 Lesson 1 Living Organisms Diversity. هنتكلم عن diversity between living organisms. Okay? طيب. In animals, there are some difference between animals. Okay? Animals differ in what? Maybe differ in size, maybe in the shape, maybe in the way of feeding, maybe in the environment. So difference between animals in size, in shape, in environment, in the way of feeding. Number 1, difference in size. There is big animal and small animal. Big animals as what? As elephant, as rhinoceros. So there are big animals and small animals. Big animals as elephant and rhinoceros. But small animals as rabbit, rat, lizard. Okay, so big animal and small animal. Number 2, the environment where animals live. There are animals live in water as fish, crocodiles, hippopotami, and there are animals live on land as horse, dog, and lion. Again, there are animals live in water as what? Fishes, crocodiles, hippopotami, and animals live on land, horse, dog, and lion. The difference between plants in the length and the size of the leaves. The difference between the plants in the length and the size of the leaves. The length is huge trees and short weeds. Huge tree and short weeds. Huge trees as what? As camphor and palm trees. Short weeds as clover and garlic. Okay? The difference in the size of the leaves. There are plants carry large sized leaves. There are plants carry large sized leaves. And there are plants carry small sized leaves. Plants carry large sized leaves as banana plant, as you see. And plants carry small sized leaves as molokhia plant. Okay? So, we study diversity in animals and in plants. Number 3, diversity of microorganisms. What is the meaning of microorganisms? There are very, very tiny living organisms. Okay? Microorganisms, they are living organisms, can't be seen by naked eye. So, I can't see them. But they spread everywhere around us. Again, microorganisms, living organisms can't be seen by naked eye, but spread around us. Okay, in water, in soil, and in air. Okay, so living organisms and microorganisms can't be seen by naked eye, so can be seen by microscope. Can be seen by microscope. Now, if I wanted to see the microorganisms, I will bring drop of water pond or pond water، يعني مية بركة. طيب هجيب البوند ووتر دي، هستخدم داي احطها على الووتر دروب ديت. داي يعني سبة. طيب الداي دي called what? Called methylene blue dye. Called methylene blue dye. And make examination for this drop. Okay? طيب I will see what? There are many living organisms. Most of them unicellular. Unicellular, so have one cell. So I will see many living organisms, micro living organisms, but have one cell, unicellular organisms. As what? As amoeba, eugulina, paramecium. As what? Amoeba, eugulina, paramecium. Okay. These microorganisms differ in the shape and way of movement. So the shape different and also the way of movement. Amoeba move by pseudopods. But Eugulina move by flagella. Euglena move by flagella. But Paramecium move by cilia. Move by what? Cilia. All these living organisms unicellular, so have one cell only.